Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix age restriction or age verification on X. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to just grab a VPN. I got this VPN for $1 a month. I can leave the link in the description and you can get it too. And simply what you need to do here, you need to connect to USA or to other country that is outside of European Union. So you can sort it out by, as you can see here, ping, and then connected to country outside your Europe Union. Now I just connected to US basically through VPN, and I can see content, of course, and I cannot show it to you, but try it to yourself and look. It should work. And this, if this do not work, then what I suggest to do here is to go to your profile. That is on the top left. Then go to as you can see here, settings and privacy, your security and account access. Then you need to go to security, ID verification, and as you can see here, you need to upgrade to premium to verify your ID. So you can try this too as well. So that's pretty much it.